did not feel like doing that run this morning. I was procrastinating all morning, doing whatever I was doing really slow so that maybe I would talk myself out of going, but I'm glad that I just pushed through and did it. It helps me so much with just the mind, my anxiety. I find that running just helps so much with my breathing, and that is just the key when you're struggling with anxiety, is to get your breathing right, because if that's off, then it doesn't matter what kind of things you do to try and help. It won't. It all starts from breathing. So I find that running just really strengthens my conscious breathing, deep breathing. So that's why it's so important to me to just keep on it. It's been super cold and we've been busy with hockey tournaments in the morning and stuff going on, so I just wasn't getting that done. I was jumping rope, but I find that running is definitely the best. So I'm going to continue on with the day, vlog a little bit of what I'm doing, some errands that I have to get done. I might save, we'll see, I might try out my new foundation today or tomorrow, we'll see. All right, on to the next. So my plans changed a little bit after I went for my run. I called to make an appointment for my son. He's had a bad cough for the last couple weeks, and I called to make an appointment with our family doctor, and she happened to have something right away, so that was great. I got to take him in and just get him checked out again, and he was fine. It's just one of those viruses that he can have a residual cough probably for the next couple weeks, and that will cause him to have some chest pains and just that nagging cough. So I'm happy I got in to do that, but kind of just switched up what I was going to do today. So I think I'll show you guys the foundation that I picked up. I'm wearing it today. So I picked up the Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation, and it has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it, and it's Maybelline, and I think this is relatively new. So I'm wearing this today, and I wore it yesterday, and I found as the day went on it just set into the skin nicer. So I'm thinking it's like, for me, I feel like it is a dupe for the Forever Skin Glow by Dior. Very, very similar in color and application. This just has a little bit more radiance to it, and you could just tell, like, I don't know, it's better. It's better, but for the cost, which this was only like, I think $15 Canadian, I want to say. For the cost, this is actually quite nice. Lasted on my skin beautifully yesterday, and like I said, the more I wore it throughout the day, just the better it was looking on my skin. So I will do a makeup look with this on a different day, but yeah, little hiccup in the day, but I think I'm gonna go out and I need to get a couple things, so maybe I'll vlog a little bit of that. All right, so I'm going into Canadian Tire. I need dryer sheets, skate laces, and paper towel. Let's see if I can remember that, or if I get distracted. Those are cute, Mama Bear. See, instantly distracted. Oh, they're only $6. Mama Bear, that's cute. So this is what I picked up from Canadian Tire. The socks were not as comfortable, not worth the $20 original price tag. And yeah, I will do a little cleaning video with the new products I got. This is definitely the most favorite part of my day when I walk to pick up my boys from school. I just can't wait to see them and see how their day went. And I know that these days will be coming to an end soon. My oldest is 13. He's going off to high school next year, so I relish in these moments with them. Alright, so it is the next day and the next morning, and I'm going to tone my hair. I think with the way spring is coming, I'm going to have to start rearranging my house again because it is just way too bright over in that corner to film. It's like just the sun's beating on your face. So I'm going to use the Joico quick toners. I'm going to mix silver and violet, and I'm going to try to use more of the silver toner and also dilute it down with the developer just so it doesn't deposit too darkly. So I'm going to spray it first with the Defy Damage protective spray. I like that better with colors and toners as opposed to bleach. I'm finding with the bleach it's not going as bright as I want it to, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of that in my hair, and so this will be the before, and then I will show you guys the after. Alright, so this is how it looks right after I've washed it out. It's kind of air dried a bit, and it's nice. It's a nice lighter toner. Like when it's depositing, it looks really dark. It looks like it looked like it was purple, so I washed it off. But it's nice that it just doesn't deposit as dark as the Pulp Riot, so keeps it nice and bright still. Alright, so this is my hair blow dried, my bangs trimmed up. I just took the flat iron and went over it a little bit and just kind of flipped up the ends just so it has sort of that wispy kind of 70s vibe going on, I guess. And this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing the shoes that I bought at Winners, the Vagabond boots. I haven't worn them yet. And just the cropped cords that I got from the superstore and cropped Puma sweater. So I'm pretty sure this is where the vlog will end. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.